Good day everyone, I am Harpreet Singh from Neera School and today we will be doing an interesting experiment which is also very fun to perform. So first of all, let's have a look at this ice block. I'll place my hand here. You can see my palm is in contact with the ice block. I'm feeling very cool. That's because a lot of energy is being lost from my hand. But what if I only touch the ice block with my index finger? Now I feel less cool. That's because the least amount of energy is being lost to the ice block. Now the same property is shown by the liquids, which is known as surface tension. Now we will dive in deep in this in the later part of the video. Okay, let's start the experiment. So for this experiment we will need water, liquid dishwash, glycerine and a straw. Okay, so first of all let's make a solution of water, liquid dishwash and glycerine. We'll put some water here and some liquid dishwash. That would be enough, and we will put some glycerine so that the integrity of bubble should increase. Okay, so now I will put glycerine. Now I will mix the solution. In this experiment we are going to make huge bubbles from which we will show you the properties of bubbles. Now let us pour some on the plate first so that the surface of plate is totally wet. Now let's spread it evenly. Now I think that's enough. Now let's do the fun part. Now I'm going to blow some bubbles. Wow! Now from this bubble you can clearly see the spherical shape of the bubble. And why is that so? That is because the potential energy of the surface must be minimum so that the surface is totally stable. And that's achieved by reducing the number of molecules in the surface layer, and that is achieved by the reducing surface area, that is due to this spherical round shape. As the spherical shape provides the least surface area, that's why this shape form is spherical. Okay, now let's talk about this property. This property is known as surface tension. In other words, surface tension is the tension of the surface film of a liquid which is caused by the attraction of particles by the surface layer from the bulk, which reduces the surface area. It acts perpendicular to the surface. So now you can see the bubble. What if I blew another bubble? Now let's try again. Now you can see the point where these two bubbles join. The point where these two bubbles join is a straight film. Why is that so? It is because these bubbles have a tendency to reduce the surface area. That's why they share a common film when they are joined. Okay. Now let's talk about some real-time applications of surface tension. Did you know the cleansing action of detergent is also due to surface tension? And the floating needle on the surface of water is also due to surface tension. As due to surface tension, the surface, the uppermost layer of the liquid, behaves like a stretched elastic membrane. So that's all from my side. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Hind.